Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good evening, everybody. I hope you all are hale and healthy by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's an honor and privilege to be a part of this amazing event. First of all, I would like to thank the big cheese of the program, our venerable chairperson, Mufti Kaium, for presenting us such a wonderful present, such a wonderful function. Without his constant support, we won't be able to make this happen. So thank you, sir. So this time is for presentations. To present, I want to call two of my beloved students. One is Muhammad Abdurur Rahman Mais. He is from the Nurani department. Please come on the stage.
Thanks for calling me on the stage. I deem it a great honor to be the one making remarks on this gorgeous occasion. First and foremost, on behalf of the entire madrasah, I extend my most sincere thanks to the Almighty Allah for making today's event a grand success. The purpose of the program is clearly known to every participant. This function is held every single month in our madrasa. Here we announce the name of some student securing merit position first, second, third in the exam. We offer them award to inspire them to do better in future. Those who failed in the exam, don't be upset. Hope you will overcome your limitations and cut a good figure in the exam ahead. This program is very important for our students to boost in for excellence. Such a small event can change someone's objective in life. That's why this event has a great effect on student lives. Now I would like to thank all the teachers, in-charge and the staffs who worked very hard to make the program successful. Last but not the least, I would like to give a bunch of red roses to our respected Principal Sir Mufti Kaium for presenting us such a wonderful event. Thank you, sir. Assalamu alaikum.
MashaAllah. Muhammad Mustafizur Rahman Atik, you did just super. His pronunciation was absolutely correct. In a good manner, he was able to speak. Alhamdulillah. I wish him for bright success in his life. So, okay, that's all for the presentations.
আর রায়হান ইন্টারন্যাশনাল মাদ্রাসা একটি আন্তর্জাতিক কোরআনিক শিক্ষা মিশন।